I am Mrs. Kamalamji here, chess coach, Challenger Public School. I am going to teach you chess. Let us start about it. Are you ready? It is a 64 squares game. Chess is 64 squares game. It is a two-player game. It has king, queen, 2 elephants, 2 camel, 2 knights and 8 soldiers. Let us learn about everything in detail. This is white king. The same, this is black king. White queen, black queen. White elephant, black elephant. White horse, black horse. White camel, black camel. White soldier and black soldier. Okay, this is king, black king, white queen, black queen. 2 elephant, we says rook in chess. 2 elephant, we says rook in chess. 2 horse, we says knight. 2 camel, we says bishop. 2 soldier, we says pawn. Next is let us learn about king. King moves always only one square. One square up, one square down, one left, one right and one cross. King can move to those square to which I am placing the pawns. King can goes here, king can move to this square, king can move to this one, king can goes to here. To this square king can move here, here and here. Means to which squares I placed the pawns, to that square king can move. Clear? If the king is here, you will move only one square to this. Okay? Only one square. See? One square up, one square side, one square side, one down, one slant, one slant, one slant and one slant. Both teams, the rules for the both teams are same. How the white king is moving, the same the black will move. This is rook. Now we will learn how this moves. Okay. Rook moves vertically and horizontally. Standing line and sleeping line. Vertically, see, it can move to here, it can move here, it can move here. The same, it can move here, 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 till here. Horizontally, here, here, here and here. Rook can move to here, here and to this square. Rook moves always vertically and horizontally. Standing line and sleeping line you can see. Clear with the rook? Now we will learn about this is bishop. Now we will learn about bishop, how it moves. Bishop moves always slanting line. See, this way slanting line. To this side, this way slanting line. See, slanting line and slanting line. If it is in dark square, you will move the bishop within dark only. It's a rule. Okay. If it is in the white square, you will move your bishop within white slanting line. If it is in the white square, you will move your bishop within slanting line this way. Clear with the bishop? Now we will learn about queen. Now This is queen and we are going to learn about queen. Queen is the most powerful piece in the game of chess. Queen moves vertical, queen moves horizontal, slanting line. See, it can move here, 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 vertically here, here, here. Slanting line this way, queen can move here, 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 and to this side, here, here, and here. Queen is the most powerful piece in the game of chess. It will move standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line also. This is knight. Now we will see what is the rule of this. Knight moves always 2.5. Means 1, 2, you will take a turn. 1, 2, 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 turn. Knight moves always 2.5 squares. Always 2.5. 2 steps forward and just go next to the second square. Right? Okay, clear to all. If the knight is over here, let us see to which it will move. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. 1, 2, turn. See, it moves only 3 squares because it is in the corner. Because it is in the corner means it depends upon the position of knight to which it is. This is pawn. Now we are going to learn about the arrangement of pawn on board and how they moves. The rule of pawn is, if you are moving your pawn first time, you can move 2 steps, but afterwards you will move this pawn only one step. It's a rule. First time you can play 2 also. You can play 1 also. 2 is also correct answer and 1 square is also correct answer. Now we are going to learn about the position of pieces on board before starting the game. This is rook and this is the rook placing. Okay. Both the corners will place our rooks. Next to the rook, it will be knight placing. Next to the knight, it is bishop placing. And about the king and queen, white queen should be always in the white square, and next to the queen, it is king placing. Both corners will place our rooks. Next to the rook, knight. Next to the knight, bishop. White queen, always it should be in the white square, and next to the queen, it is king's placing. And in front of all piece, we have pawns. This is white all pieces placing. Now we will arrange black pieces. This is black rook placing. Next is knight. Next to the knight, it is bishops. Black queen always in the dark square or green square, and next to the queen it is king place. And in front of all piece we have pawns. In front of all piece we have pawns. So this is the actual board setup before playing game. Okay. This is the demo board. This is the demo and this is actual board. This was introduction of board and pieces, and in next class we will learn how to play the actual game. Thank you. So let's meet in the next session.